Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif. We will continue our lecture 23 from exercise 3.1. This is your 10th class mathematics. Here is express the following as ratio A, ratio B and as a fraction. So here you can write down, for example, we have question number 1 part 2. Question number 1 part 2. Here is 450 centimeter, 450 centimeter and 3 meters. First of all, you must know that whenever you solve the question for the ratio proportion, the quantities must have same units. The quantities must have same unit. Remember that here is 450 centimeter, 3 into 100. Meter is converted into centimeter by multiplying with 100. 450 centimeter and 300 centimeter. Now you can write down 450 ratio 300 dividing by 10. 45 ratio 30. Then dividing by 15. 15, 3 the 45 and 15, 2 the 30. So this is the smallest ratio. This is the lowest form. It is known as lowest form or simplest form where you cannot further simplify. So this answer can be written as in the ratio form as 3:2 and fraction form that is 3/2. Yes student, that is your answer. So this is the way how to solve. After that we can have part number 4. Others part I am leaving for you people. You can do, and if you have any problem then you can contact me. Part number 4 is 27 minutes and 30 seconds. 27 minutes, 30 seconds and 1 hour. And 1 hour. Here is, you know that what you will write down 27. You have to convert all units in same system. That's I told you already that all the quantities must have same units. So you will write down 27 minutes. They are multiplied by 60 to convert seconds plus 30 seconds. 27 minutes multiplied by 60 becomes seconds and 30 seconds are extra more. They are added. And 1 hour. 1 is multiplied by 60. That becomes minutes. Further multiplied by 60. That becomes second. Here is 0. That is, you multiply them 0, 6, 7, 42 and 6 to the 12 plus 4 is 16. And here we have total is, this one is 3600 seconds. Here is 1650 ratio 3600 Now dividing by 10, 165 ratio 360. After that, dividing by 15. Dividing by 15, this is 11. And 24. Yes, 11 ratio 24, or if you want to write down as a ratio, this one is ratio and then fraction form 11 over 24. That is your question number 1. I hope that you can do other parts by yourself. Here is question number 2. In a class of 60 students, 25 students are girls, remaining students are boys. Compute the ratios. Question number 2. In a class of 60 students, total students are 60. 25 students are girls. Girls students 25. Then boys students will be 60 minus 25, that will be 35. After that, the first is boys to total students. Boys ratio total students, 35 ratio 60. Here you will have divide by 5. Dividing by 5, you can have 5 7 and 12 5. So this is 7 ratio 12. Next is boys to girls. Boys to girls. Boys are 35, girls are 25. Then again dividing by 5, 7 ratio 5. 7 ratio 5, this is your answer. After that, we have this is exercise 3.1. Question number 3. If 3 into 4x minus 5y, 3 into 4x minus 5y is equal to 2x minus 7y, then find the ratio x ratio y. Find the value of x ratio y. You will multiply, that is 12x minus 15y, 2x minus 7y. Bring 2x here on left hand side it will become minus, and 15y on the other side, it will become positive. 12x minus 2x is 10x. That is equal to 8y. But remember that this is x ratio y. Look at these numbers. And you know x ratio y means x over y. X ratio y can be checked with the help of x over y. So bring y under x and 10 under 8. Transfer x over y. Bring y to the left hand side, it will go to denominator. And 10 will go to the denominator of your right hand side. That will be 2/4 to 5. So x ratio y is equal to 4:5. That is your answer. I hope that you understood this question. After that, question number 4, find the value of p if ratio this are equal to 3:4. Question number 5, if ratio this is are equal to 2:5, then find the value of x. Remember that question number 4 and 5 are exactly similar. So we can solve question number 5 from here. You have to find the value of x if 3x plus 1 ratio, if 3x plus 1 ratio 6 plus 4x are equal to 2:5. That is 2:5. You have to find the value of x if the ratio between two values is equal to ratio between 2 and 5. So product of extreme is equal to product of mean. You can write down 5 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 6 plus 4x. 5 into this product of extreme is equal to product of mean. 15x plus 5, 12 plus 8x. Bring 8x here. 15x minus 8x, 12 minus 5. That will be 7x is equal to 7. On x is equal to 7 by 7 is equal to 1. So your answer is x is equal to 1. After that we have question number 6. Two numbers are in ratio 5:8. If 9 is added to each number, we get a new ratio. Find the numbers. Question number 7. If 10 is added to each ratio, we get a new ratio. Find the numbers. So dear students, question number 6 and 7, they are exactly same. So we can take one question from 6 and 7, and we can take question number 7. Those parts, those questions which are leaving for you, you must solve them at home. And if you have any problem, any confusion, don't worry, contact me and you can tell me about that question. Inshallah, we'll do it. Even in our physical classes, if we, inshallah, we start that. One way or another way, we will do it, inshallah. So question number 7, if 10 is added to each number of ratio 4:13, as ratio between required numbers be 4:30. Then remember that as ratio between required numbers be this one, we will attach a variable with these numbers. We will attach a variable with these numbers so that our required numbers will be, let the required numbers be 4x and 13x. I told you this is the ratio between required numbers, so we attach a common number x with them. So let the required numbers be 4x and 13x. According to given condition, if 10 is added in these two numbers, 4x plus 10, 13x plus 10, then ratio will become 1:2. So that will be, it is not wrong, but it is better to write down first time this one, 1:2. We get a new ratio 1:2. If 10 is added to both, then new ratio becomes 1:2. That is product of extreme is equal to product of mean. Oh, sorry, this 13x is not 13. Here is 2 into 4x plus 10, 1 into 13x plus 10, 8x plus 20, 13x plus 10. Bring 8x to the right hand side, to the bigger positive term, 18x. Bring 10 to the left hand side, this 10 to the left hand side. What will be? 13x minus 8x is 5x, is equal to 10, and x is equal to 10 over 5 and x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Therefore, first required number is equal to, that was 4x, is equal to 4 into 2, that is 8. And second required number is 13 into x, that is 13 into 2, that is 26. Your answer is 8 and 26. That was your question number 7 of exercise 3.1. Dear students, we have now question number 8. Find the cost of 8 kilogram of mangoes if 5 kilogram mangoes cost 250. I think yes, question number 8 you can do by yourself. Now we will move to our question number 9. If A ratio B is equal to 7 ratio 6, question number 9. If A ratio B is equal to 7 ratio 6, then find the value of 3A plus 5B. 3A plus 5B ratio 7B minus 5A. You have to find the value of this ratio. Here, you know that A ratio B is equal to 7 ratio 6. You can say A over B is equal to 7 over 6. A ratio B is equal to 7 ratio 6 means A over B is equal to 7 over 6. A is equal to 7 over 6B. Using this value of A here, using this value of A here, 3A plus 5B ratio 7B minus 5A, 3 into A. What about A? 7 over 6B plus 5B. 7B minus 5 into value of A, 7 over 6B. This will be 3 1 the 3 3 2 the. Dividing by B. Throughout divide by B, you will get 7 over 2 plus 5. Ratio 7 minus 35 over 6. 7 over 2 plus 5 because B, this B, this B and this one, they are all cancelled out. And we are left with here 2 5 the 10, 10 plus 7 is 17 over 2. Ratio 6 7 the 42. 42 minus 35. What will be? That will be 7 over 6. 2 5 are 10 plus 7, 17 over 2. That is 42 minus 35. 7 over 6. Now LCM on both sides is, look, 2 and 6. 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the. 3 1 the 3 1 the. So what is LCM? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Multiplying both sides by 6. 6 cancelled out. 2 3 the 6. 3 into 17. 51 ratio 7. That is your answer. 51 ratio 7. That's your answer. So dear students, I hope that you can do other parts by yourself, and inshallah we will continue our next lecture with our next question. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.